Okay, we talked first about eliminating this, and we did that in the previous video. But now I'm going to also talk about what you can do of taking some of that at various places and moving it. It's just another way to just put a little ease in there. So we're going to draw a line here for a slash. I'm going to pick a midpoint at the armhole here. And I'm also, from this pivotal point now, going to draw a slash line to that mid-neck. Okay? I'm still going to slash here. So there's 3 places on this that I'm going to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a mark here that's going to be an inch in and an inch in. Okay, and I'll show you what we're going to do here. I'm going to slash these open. Remember, to cut and slash, I always need that point. On the front one, we did that from the bust point, remember? We need a point, and that's why this horizontal balance line, H, B, L. So whenever you see that, you'll know what that is. Okay, so now I've got this little wiggle room here, right? So what I can do is I can put a tiny bit of that dart here and transfer some of it into the neck, and I can also move this up a little bit. So I'm now spreading the excess in 3 different points, like this. Now it's very little on this. When you have a large size bodice, the normal size 8 bodice, you'll see this a little bit more. But I've got a little bit spread, so I've got it in 3 equal places. Now what happens is this would become a notch. And some patterns will have that. In this area, we would ease this onto the front shoulder. So you can write ease, okay? And it would ease to be the same size as the front sloper shoulder. So, for instance, it would have to match into here. So this would still be a little bit longer, but we would ease with a size 5 thread, pull it a little bit, and that would also eliminate the dart, but it would just kind of ease in. You wouldn't see the gathers. It would just be very subtle because I'm transferring some of the excess into here. Now what happens here is I would just take my French curve and reestablish that curve, and I would reestablish my neck at this point. So that's another way that we can manipulate this dart. We could even put all the excess in here if I wanted a strange back dart. So it's really most common was the previous video where I just closed it up and eliminated it, but a lot of patterns have this because we still have that back shoulder and it allows it to sit nicely on the back shoulder.